For pectin estimation, we need 1 normal NaOH, we need 1 normal calcium chloride, we need 1 normal acetic acid, we need 0.05 normal HCl. Other glasswares we will be requiring are SNF beakers. Sample we are taking is jam sample. 15 grams of the sample has been taken and minced well. For the treatment of sample, we will be using 0.05 normal HCl. 400 ml of 0.05 normal HCl will be added to the sample and mixed well. We can stir the sample well when we mix 0.05 normal HCl. It is mixed well now. We have to heat the contents at 80 to 90 degrees Celsius over the heating bath for at least 2 hours. It got heated enough now. It has now been up to 2 hours. After 2 hours, we have to make the volume to 500 ml. So during this process, we will be recovering the evaporated solution as well. We got to make it up with 0.05 normal HCl as before. We got to mix the contents well and go for filtering using the Whatman paper after this. So using the Whatman paper, we can filter the contents. We need at least 100 ml of the aliquot. So that can be taken and collected in a conical flask for our analysis. We have to wait till the aliquot is collected. We have now collected aliquot enough for our analysis. We have to use 100 ml of the aliquot. We can dilute the aliquot by adding 250 ml distilled water. So it is diluted enough. We have to check the pH of the aliquot. It got to be neutral by now. So it is more or less neutral. We didn't find any color change. But we can check the neutralized behavior by using the phenolphthalein indicator. So if the solution is neutral, the color change will happen to pink. So now we are adding 1 normal NaOH. So when we add 1 normal NaOH for neutralizing, so the color change occurred. It means that The liquid is neutralized enough. We can proceed with our analysis now. We also need 10 ml of 1 normal NaOH over this. So 10 ml of 1 normal NaOH is added over this condition. We have to allow it for standing overnight. The next day we have taken, and we are adding 50 ml of 1 normal acetic acid. So the previous night we have allowed to stand after neutralizing with the NaOH, and the next day we have added acetic acid, and also we are adding 25 ml of 1 normal calcium chloride. So this will again neutralize the solution and facilitate the precipitation of the pectin. We have to allow it for standing at least for 1 hour. After 1 hour, so it has now been 1 hour approximately, and we are heating it for a few minutes over the water bath for facilitating the precipitation. So it has now been heated. We got to filter after boiling. So pre-weighed filter paper is taken, and we have to filter the precipitate what we have obtained at the end of our analysis. So after filtering, all our pectin present in our sample would have come into our filter paper. After filtering, we have to go for drying in the oven and weigh it for estimating pectin.